was going great this morning until the first problem. And that problem came up when I was setting up my first wall. Here's my first wall stud right here, set up right there. I was putting these nails in, and my air gun started leaking. Now this air gun's been sitting around for a while. It's a STANLEY, I think it's a STANLEY RN. It's a round nailer, RN 95 RHN. So this is the nail gun. Now there's, there are a lot of O-rings in the trigger assembly, and so here's the trigger assembly right there. So you see that pile of, that was a nylon O-ring that exploded. So what I did was everything's on the internet now, so I went on there, and of course there's a tutorial, and the first tutorial I found was fixing or basically jerry-rigging the trigger mechanism for this. So I'm going to go to Home Depot. I'm going to see if they have a STANLEY trigger kit. If they don't, I'm going to buy the recommended O-ring. He did replace his with a rubber O-ring, so I'm going to go find me a number 10 metric O-ring, because it's the exact same one that was broke on his. So, all right, first problem, going to have to fix it. It's either that or I have to buy a new nail gun, which I'm just not going to do. If I had to, I think I would, but this is repairable, I think, and I'm going to fix it. It's part of the deal. I'm going to run over there and let's go get some parts. Later, guys, we're going to get those walls up today. Told you there'd be problems. There's always problems, and you just gotta roll with them, fix them, and basically move forward. Yes, later and bye. Broken air nailer, repaired. I'm going to actually put the link up in the description of the website that I found, or the YouTube channel with the repair, and I will let you know if it works. Later, bye. All right, this is Dad Random. About a 2-hour delay here, but looks like we've got Old Faithful fixed. Checked online, found a simple solution. Hopefully the solution holds. I'm replacing a rubber O-ring with probably a rubber fitted O-ring, but what happened was it disintegrated over time. It's just been sitting there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up and we're going to see if our nailer's working. I'm going to go ahead and get it's holding air, I know that. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera up, and we will double check here. There we go. This is the wood that I'm working on right here. This is the trimmer inside of the door opening. So there we go, and we should be able to pound nails. We're not pounding in all the way, so. Oh, I shut off my air compressor. Put them in old school. Let that get up to speed. Little old school nailing right there. Need to get about 100 psi driving the nail. All right, she should be ready. Here we go. Yes. She blew a gasket on me. Oh no. That's not good. Oh well, back to the drawing board. Different O-ring. It looked like when he had this problem, he went to a smaller size O-ring. One with a little smaller circumference. So we'll check that out later, and bye. Another thing to fix. All right, Dad Random here. We took the number 78 O-ring off. This is a 7/16 OD 1/4 inside dimension, 3/32, and we replaced it with the number 5, which is a 3/8 OD 1/4 inside dimension, 1/16. So a little bit thinner. It seems like it's holding air. I haven't done any actual nailing yet. So here we go. We're going to check it out. All right, this is Dad Random. Here we go. We're going to do our nailing test. Bring it back over to the trimmer that we were working on. And set the camera down right there. And here we go. Test. Got a nail in there. We got a nail in, so far so good. I think that was it. I'm going to be real positive. Let's go ahead and nail this other one together here. Get that one lined up. All right. So here we go. Looks good. All right. So hopefully she holds. Dad Random out. Later and bye. Fix the nailer today. Hopefully you'll see finished walls in a little bit. Later. Bye-bye. As you can see, I'm hiding in the shade. My morning was killer. Thought today was going to be easy. And well, it wasn't so easy. My butt has been kicked, literally. But I did get done with the framing I needed to get done. With the nail gun breaking down, it did work for the rest of the day, so that's a good thing. So shout out to the guy that helped me fix my nail gun. Here's wall number 2. So here we go. That's straight. So that's wall number 2. You can see the ceiling height right there compared to the shed height. This is wall number 1. This took me all morning, but once I got wall number 1 done, it made wall number 2 really easy. Now I haven't put the blocking in up here, the header. I'm waiting for my 2x6s to show up. I'm going to use 2x6s for the header. And this side here is also going to be where the 2x6 is. Now there's going to be a, you can see that if you look down there, that is 5.5 inches. That's where my joist is going to hang. So that'll be nice there. So the joist will come all the way across and right down where that post anchor is right there. So not bad. The back is more of a mystery. I tore off the back. I've got to finish off this wall so it's straight all the way up and connect it with the other side wall. I've got to cut all these tails off right there, and I've got to make sure that they. That's the second time I've hit my head there. Got to make sure that I can put sheathing up the back. So the roof really is inconsequential at this time. That roof there will eventually go because I don't want to. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably tear it apart. I'll probably tear that roof out later after I get my doors and because the roof will interfere with the door. But those will come off last. I can saw that out, and that'll be an interior project one day. But I have to make sure everything is square and well braced first. So we have to make sure that this stays square. So I might have to beef up the back wall, put some crisscross bracing in there. But it's a little bit hokey, but that's just the way I work. All right, whew. Guys, you can't get enough shade today. I'm so tired I can't even put my tools away. Whew. Everything's heavy. But for Dad Random, day 2. 2 walls, a little bit more tear down, and I've got full trash cans, as you can see. Somebody's already tried to put a bag. Yeah, doesn't this bug you about kids? They go into the trash can there and they do that when this one's got plenty of space, So drives me crazy. But I'm out of tear out space, and I might be able to finagle one more trash can. All right, but butt has been kicked. I think I'm going to wait till later. I'm going to take a break and then clean everything up once it's a little bit cooler out. Put some tools away and that kind of thing. But we did fix the nailer. We did get our 2 walls up, and I think they're pretty plumb. I put the level up against the wall there to check for plumb, and it's pretty good. Pretty good. Have to make sure when we get the doors in there. That they are nice and straight. That's why you give it that whole inch on either side to straighten that door jamb out. All right. I'm probably going to need all 2 inches too. That's what she said. Anyway, before I pass out, this is Dad Random for the bar shed project, day 2. And yeah, there is not enough shade, and it only gets hotter from here, guys. It only gets hotter. I think I'm going to jump in the pool. That's what I think is going to happen. That's what's nice about working in a bar shed, is I can just jump in there, and I just jump in with the camera. Maybe I'll do that. That'll be my surprise entry one of these days. Later, and bye. Dad Random, bar shed day 2. My butt is kicked. I told you I was only going to work as fast as my body would let me, and I freaking hit the wall today. Day 2 only. Holy crap, there's so much more work to do, and I got a whole load of roofing coming tomorrow. All right, I'm excited though.